dismiss, don't need that. So now I've installed all the needed plugins for us, so it's time to start building. Now before we start building, I want to show you something. I want to show you the element of a high converting sales page. All right, I want to show you vital element of a high converting sales page, a high converting landing page, whatever. Okay, now your sales page should have headlines and sub headlines, just like you saw earlier on. There are headlines and there are sub headlines. As you can see, headline, sub headline, headline, okay, headline, headline, sub headline. That's how you communicate your information to your visitor. Okay, now when I say visitor, I mean to the people on your website. They are called website visitors. Okay, so have headlines, sub headlines, then your body copy, then have quality graphics and videos. Quality graphics and videos could mean the difference between a poor converting sales funnel and a very high converting funnel. So imagine imagine you are selling to the international community. You don't expect to just slap a sales page together and expect them to throw money at you. No, they will think you didn't even put enough energy in creating the product you are trying to sell to them. So always use high quality graphics as much as possible, or as much as you can. Okay, then bullet points. Take note, bullet points are important. So when you are trying to communicate some information to your website visitors, use bullet point. Okay, now let me show you. Take a look at this. You see, these are bullet points. You can see bullet point. I don't think okay, that's a bullet point. So use bullet point to communicate some important information. Okay, now if I go to the other, no need, I won't open it. I don't want you to see something on that page. All right, so use bullet point. Then social proof. What are social proof? Social proof simply refers to, like, how can you prove that what you are selling works for people? All right, how can you prove that what you are selling works for people? How can we trust you? How can we trust you? Now we can trust you when you can prove to us that your services has helped so and so amount of people, and you show them on your sales page. All right, you can also how has your product help people? You can show how it has helped people on your sales page. That is what we call social proof. All right, testimonials. Then also add testimonials to your sales page. Imagine I don't think you would most likely want to buy from a website that has no testimonials these days. All right, so add testimonials. Then add bonuses. People like bonuses. All right, people like bonuses. People can buy from you just because of the bonuses you are offering. Okay, people can buy from you just because of the bonuses you are offering on your sales page. So add complimentary bonuses. For instance, you are selling a weight loss product. All right, what are the best bonuses you could add? You could add meal plan or diet plans. Okay, you could add one-on-one training, one-on-one call on the best food to eat to lose weight for a particular person. Those are bonuses. You get the point. Then put guarantee on your sales page. All right, put guarantee on your sales page. Now this page has no guarantee because I slapped the page around in a hurry. Okay, this page has no guarantee. You have to put guarantee on your sales page. If I go now, this is also where this is not really a guarantee. Guarantee is something like money back guarantee. All right, for instance, you say if you try this product for 30 days and it doesn't work, feel free to return it and you will get your money back 100%, no question asked. Even though sometimes you might not really people might not really want, you might be afraid that people will take advantage of you. that they will buy your product and return it then after they've gotten value from it. Don't be afraid, don't worry. Just add that money back guarantee to your page. If 5%, even if 5% of people try to play smart, but your guarantee will most likely help you to convert 90%, 95% of your visitors to buyers. So forget about the other 5%. So always include money back guarantee on your sales pages. All my pages I include guarantee. If I show you other pages now, you would definitely see guarantee on those pages. Okay. Then the next thing, you add frequently asked questions. Add frequently asked questions. So let me show you something. Let me show you a page I built for someone, so you understand that. Let me see. I just hope it's there. Okay. So let me show you. So this is a funnel I built for someone. All right. It's a funnel. So as you can see, I have a way of building my own funnels. So as you can see, let me show you. As you can see, let me just show you. So as you can see, everything I've been teaching you, they are what I do. Now this person paid me 50,000 naira to build this sales page. All right. Now, and I built it in less than 48 hours. All right. So let me show you the guarantee I'm talking about. The frequently asked questions. As you can see, these are frequently asked questions. Now, don't forget, the people who come to your sales page, they have questions about your product. Your duty is to address those questions from the get-go. All right. Don't think they don't have questions. So always add some frequently asked questions you think your potential buyers would want to ask you before buying your product. Always add those frequently asked questions and answers. So you can see, will this work for me? Definitely it will work. Is it permanent? Yes, it is. How fast can I expect to see result vary. Are there any side effects? No. I have more questions. How can I get WhatsApp? Okay, now you can see. So that is how it works. Always add frequently asked questions. Okay, then the next one, use call to action. All right, call to action. Don't build a funnel, don't build a sales page without proper call to action. All right, so call to actions are mostly your buttons. All right, this is a call to action. Okay, I can't miss this. Okay, I want to enjoy clean water. If you see my other pages, you'll see there are call to actions. Always add call to actions, and most likely direct people to click. Tell them what to do. All right, tell them what to do. Now, for instance, I should have written on this page, get your own supply at the huge discount now by clicking on the button below. All right. Okay, I want to enjoy clean water. They fill the form. Okay, I can't miss out. All right, so that is how it works. Always add call to action. Then the last one I think you should see is okay, the last one, PS, known as postscript. Now postscript might not really be important, but sometimes you have to consider it. For instance, I can call this a postscript, but definitely it's not a postscript. All right, but it could be a postscript. A postscript is like after you've written heaven and earth on your sales page, add a PS. A PS could be a summary of what you are offering. You could say something like, let me show you. You can write, or you could write. Now, for instance, you have finished designing your writing your copy. You could go down and say postscript. If you are like me and you just came through the page, okay? If you are like me, for instance, I want to kind of make them feel like make them feel should I say connected. Okay, if you are like me, that just skims through a page, yes, what you are getting. You now write what you are getting. I just skim through a page. I think skim, is that even correct? I don't know. Here's what you are getting. You get our 100% original water purifier, so that you and your family can enjoy bacteria-free water, which will prevent you from costly and deadly health complications. Okay, now you might think this might mean the difference between someone buying from you. You don't know. People can just scroll down, like they just skim through the page without even reading extensively. But because you added a postscript, if you're like me that loves to skim, okay, let me just use, if you're like me that love to skim, what is this one doing? That loves to skim through a page, yes, what you are getting now, their eyes will definitely be drawn to it because it's the last thing on your sales page. So the postscript is your chance, is your last opportunity to kind of get people to know or have a summary of what you are offering. So that's just it. So don't stress it too much. Okay, always try and add a postscript where possible, usually at the bottom of the page. All right, usually at the bottom of the page. Okay, so that is for the vital element of a high converting sales page. So in the next part, in part 2 of building sales funnel, we'll start building properly. Okay, so see you in that video. All right, wait, let me log into my laptop and show you how much this singular scale has made me. All right, this singular scale is responsible for generating me multiple thousands of dollars and multiple millions of naira online. Okay, I will log into my laptop and show you proof that what I'm talking about is actually true.
Okay guys, as you can see, this over $10,000 made in this account already. So let me reload. Loading. As you can see, everything remains the same. All right, I'll go to another account now and show you. This account has made close to $6,000. Reload. Okay, as you can see, everything remains the same. I've made multiple thousands of dollars. I have many accounts. All right guys, let's go there.
Okay, now that I have seen that this is a high income scale, what if I show you everything I know, all my strategies to designing brilliant and high converting sales funnels in minutes, not days or weeks? All right, what if I should give you the support, I give you the tools, I give you everything you need to start designing brilliant and high converting sales funnels in minutes? All right, you have to learn how to design high converting sales funnels if you desire success online. And with this course, you will learn everything I know to design brilliant and high converting sales funnels. If this interests you enough, click the link below to learn more about my online course and hopefully enroll and start building brilliant and high converting sales funnels. All right, with this skill, you can sell out your product massively online. You can sell your products while you sleep or while you are playing with your friends and loved ones. All right, you can also set up funnels for clients all over the world and get paid handsomely for it. All right, so if this kind of thing interests you, click the link below to learn more about my course and hopefully enroll. I can't wait to see you in class. Peace out.